Hello and welcome to Made Up News Live. Here is your made up news for today, episode number 9. Sneezing is just an excuse for Christians to oppress you. Words are violence, and no one has assaulted as many with their words than those oppressive Christian racist sexist people who are Christian. Because they're oppressing with their thing they do, you know what I mean. Anyway, in a COVID-19 84 world, no one can hear you sneeze. This has become a real bee in the bonnet of all those sanctimonious Christians who are always just waiting to pounce the moment you have a sniffle. Well, you're not so smug now, are you, Chris and Christine? You thought you were so holier than thou, didn't you? With your God bless yous, and your equally oppressive German Gesundheit, which is German for God bless you. Well, now no one can hear you say that either. At last, you pushy Christians have lost your trump card. Finally, Muslims, Jews, atheists, pagans, and Hare Krishnas can all have a fair shot at being the ones to tell us what's not allowed. And that is your made-up news for today. Remember, just because we made it up, doesn't mean it isn't true. For Made Up News Live, I am Tiffany Brian Anderson.
Made Up News Live brings you the power of make-believe in real time. Unlike fake news CNN or MSLGBTQ TV, we are actually entertaining and better researched. Not that the research part is saying much, but at least we don't pretend we're telling you anything factual. Help us keep the dream alive. Your purchases make making up news for Made Up News Live possible. So please shop at our website, megastorefront.com.